All right, so I'm gonna title this video, Would You Rather? Would you rather see this sitting next to your toilet or have to carry this around if you have to go between bathrooms, or would you rather see this? This is the Clorox plunger. I think they call it the Hideaway. That's it. You got a nice plunger, definitely higher quality plunger than the old school plunger here, with the fitting that goes down into the toilet. And then when you're done, you just put it back in here and it closes up. Inside of here is a catch basin, if you will. So it'll allow anything to get down in there to where you can then rinse this out, keep it clean. But that's it. But do know that when it comes, and we got the 2-pack, there is some assembly required. And not to be too frightened by that. It's just going to come with 2 handles. Open it up, and you can either put it right in place there, in theory, or pull it out. Pull it out and tighten on the plunger head there, and boom, there you go. So this one going in the trash. And we've got some guests coming this weekend, and we'd like to make things look a little nicer. So here we go, new plungers. Thanks for watching.